ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರ ತಂದೆಯಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು ದೀಕ್ಷೆ ತಗೋತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇನೆ ಅವರು ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಾಗ ನಚಿಕೇತನ್ ಕತೆ ಕೇಳಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಆತರ ಮೃತ್ಯುನ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇನೆ ಅವರು ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಉಳ್ದಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ ಬಾಡಿದು ಸಾಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಅವರು ಬಾಡಿನ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ. Now what she says is, once he gets a diksha, once you get teaching by guru, so that time itself he'll become free from birth and death. A saint is one who has realized he has no birth and no death when he has a body. The concept of birth and death doesn't exist for a saint. Then what is the question of Ichha Mrityu for him?
He comes for only for service.
Why does he want to leave
the body? Leave the body.
Are Papa, he is not holding the body, yaar.
Okay, but at some point he will think, he will decide, right? Like
Who will decide?
Universe will decide for him.
He is not identifying with the body, he is not holding to the body.
ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಏನು ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಅನ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ನಾನ್ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅವತ್ತು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್
See, the saint is one who has realized I am birthless, I am deathless. I have no birth, I have no death. Having a body, not having a body doesn't make a difference to him.
Universal consciousness.
But having a body of a saint makes a difference to other people.
ಫಾರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್,
For helping other people and teaching purpose.
Then how does that happen? The final thing, like the saint going out of...
A saint doesn't leave a body, neither he holds on to a body.
He won't, sir, but at some point of time that physical form will come to an end.
When its own natural life is over, it is come to an end. It has no, for him there's no...
Also, prarabdha karma is there.
Prarabdha karma is not there for a saint. The body is a karma, load of karma. So he is not identifying with the body. It is body is what he has, and that till whatever life is there, it will continue and die. He has no concept of birth and death.
ಬಟ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದ ಬ್ರೆತ್.
But he can extend the age, right?
Whose age?
Just his
Whose age?
Physical body.
How long? Some 500 years?
No, maybe 150 years.
What is the point?
For his disciple.
Okay, you are confused. See, you are mixing up the whole body with the saint. Simple, yeah. You have a car, right? Okay, how long you can use a car?
5 years.
5 years, 6 years. Can you extend the life of car another 10 years? You can. Make your husband work hard. Do maintenance. You can work for hard. What is the purpose of using the car for 10 years? Huh? Is body different than body is more than not more than is like a car only, vehicle only. The saint will use the vehicle till it is required, till it is useful, and then drop it.
One day he stops that breath. That's
all. It is not your concept of Ichha Mrityu is actually for a not realized person. Tell me who are Ichha Mrityus in the history of humankind?
Like suicide I'm not telling.
Nahi Baba, Ichha Mrityu, tell me who are the Ichha Mrityu? Where did you pick up the word called Ichha Mrityu?
I heard that some saints has taken Ichha Mrityu.
Tell me yaar, who is that?
I forgot.
One example is Bhishma. Okay, Bhishma had a Ichha Mrityu vara. When he wants to die, he can leave the body.
Swami Vivekananda also has taken Ichha Mrityu.
How do you know?
We called it.
Ayo Baba, people told lot of things where they don't even know what the hell it is. Okay.
He was knowing that he will die at this age.
Are Baba, he had a diabetes here, and every person who has a diabetes will know. And that time there was no medicine. Okay, I also have diabetes. I also know why my death is there. Okay. What you are saying? See, you are mixing Ichha Mrityu. Ichha Mrityu is a person for a not realized person. For unenlightened person, Ichha Mrityu is a special ability. Okay, to leave his body at the time at when he desires. That is called Bhishma had it such a Ichamrityu ability. That's what is said. Okay. Ichamrityu is ability to leave the body when you desire. And who leaves the body? Who is holding on to the body?
Okay.
That means he is not a realized person. Saint has no concept of Ichamrityu also. Are you still confused?
No.
What is not confused? Tell me.
Saint doesn't have a concept of each
He has no concept of birth and death, yaar.
other. Yes.
Okay? He has no birthday, he has no death anniversary. Right? But people celebrate his birthday and death anniversary. From the point of view of a body, they celebrate. Saint is the one who has become free from the body when he is alive. Okay? So, it's like this. You have a car, right? If I ask your age, you'll say, what is your age?
Car says,
Arey Baba, I'll ask you, what's your age?
why it's
Huh?
27.
Okay. Like this. What's your age?
No age.
Huh?
No age.
So, this is your problem. Okay? You are sitting in a car, you say, what's your age? Then you say, 5 years. The car's age is 5 years. Is it your age? Why are you confusing yourself for the car? Why are you confusing yourself for the body? Okay? So, this confusion is there for the people. For the saint, there is no confusion. He never confuses himself with the body. When he never confuses himself with the body, there is no concept of birth and death for him. For whom is the birth and death? Other people say he was born in such and such a date and he died in such and such a date. What saint will say? I brought that body such and such a date. Okay, I destroyed that body in such and such a date. He has no concept of birth and death. Like you brought a car and sold a car. So Ichamrityu concept is there. Somebody who has a Mrityu. Bhishma had a concept of Mrityu. Bhishma was not a Gnani, a realized person. So he had a possibility of dying when he wants. Okay. Now this is one concept of Ichamrityu. Ichamrityu concept applies only for a Gnani, not for a Gnani. Not for a...
None.
Okay. Second thing Ichamrityu concept applies to a yogi. What will happen to a yogi is also not a Gnani. But he knows what nadi or nerve point he has to press for taking the death. By holding on certain breath in certain pattern, he can leave the body when he wants. That's called Ichamrityu. But that is a problem because he has still a birth and death. He is still an Adnana. A person who is a yogi is not a Gnani.
He is in path of sadhana.
He is in the path of sadhana. But because he is specialist, he knows hold the breath like this, hold this thing, block this, then he will leave the body because it's a sophisticated way of doing suicide. He knows. Okay. So that is called Ichamrityu. Now please tell me which Ichamrityu you are speaking of.
I ask you body Ichamrityu.
It's not Mrityu. For the point of view of saint, he is leaving the body. That's not a Mrityu for him. For other people it looks like a Mrityu. For him, just drop.
Use and throw.
Use and throw. Now how long he will hold it or how long he will use it? Till the body has the ability and till the body has to do some function, he will use it. But he has not a concept of birth and death. Are you clear? Any questions? Any other questions? So today we have completed the Kathopanishad, which actually has taken more time for me compared to any other Upanishad. Even though Kathopanishad is not that big Upanishad, but compared to other Upanishads, because of missing of some classes and all, so it has taken some longer time for us. Okay. With that, we are completing Kathopanishad, which is teaching of Yamadharmaraya to Nachiketa. To be free from birth and death. And what is the summary of teaching? Ashte. So to prove that point, I have to take so much of struggle.
Now next, what you will take?
She's in a hurry. She's in a hurry for liberation. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ.
Okay, already, okay, I have started Ishavasya Upanishad in Ananda Hall, Basanmudi. Okay, I start one more Upanishad in here. The other Upanishad which I am going to start Ishavasya Upanishad, Kathopanishad is over, Kenopanishad is over, Prashnopanishad is over, right? Prashnopanishad is also over.
Finished.
Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya over. Are very few Upanishads left here. I have no more. Now I'll take Taittiriya Upanishad. Taittiriya Upanishad will start from here, next class. Okay? So, a saint holds or uses the body for the purpose of teaching. That's all is the purpose of body. He has no concept of birth and death. He has no concept of mrityu, janana and mrityu. If such a person has a concept of janana and mrityu, then he is not a saint. Okay?
Like a seedless grape.
Seed is gone. Seed is gone.